one of the best decisions you can make this year, most especially as a Nigerian, is having an additional income stream earning in USD. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about introduction to making money in live streaming industry. Reason why I want to talk about this is because a lot of people have some misconception about the live streaming industry. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about introduction to live streaming industry. I will talk about what you need to start the live streaming, and as well as how to make money, different ways you can make money in the live streaming industry, what plan and strategy you need to put in place, things that I have done personally that have helped me. In some months I make 100, 1,000, 2,000. There is a month that I even made up to 5,000 USDT. I'm going to share my strategy today, and I'll also explain to you some of the limitation of the live streaming industry and ways you can withdraw your earning, the automation you can put in place so that you can earn so much, the list of some live streaming platform you can kickstart right away, and so on and so forth as the spirit lead. So the live streaming industry, a lot of people think it's all about going nude and doing so many other things, but it is not that way. The live streaming industry is more of like gaming industry in the live stream. I made this video some years ago talking about the Web 3.0 and what is about to come, and those that watched that video really have prepared themselves for a time like this. So this is a time that you can not only you don't only watch video and don't earn anything. This is the time that you can decide to even choose to earn even as you watch people's content in some of this app. So the live streaming industry is an industry where people live stream to make money, live stream, they earn tax, they do their tax, and they withdraw money, they play game. You could win, you could lose. So the live streaming that I'm talking about is not the usual live stream of the Facebook, the YouTube, the Instagram, the Twitter. This is an app that you live stream, you play game, you gamble, you do a lot of things that you can earn money depending on who you are, which I'm going to talk in details as we go to the next stage. So what do you need to start live streaming? The first and foremost, you need a good phone. You need a good phone. Yes, because like me, I love using iPhone. Like before, I used to like, what is there about iPhone and all that, until when I started live streaming, I see the difference is clear. I'm not saying it has to be iPhone. I also use Android for the live streaming, because there are some app that is not yet on iPhone. So I also use Android. But if you have an iPhone, it will give you an edge with a large space. Some Android phone that doesn't have space, you will struggle with it. So you need to have a good phone and good internet connectivity. I'm talking about good internet connectivity, because if you decide to be playing games and your network is not good, you will be losing. So these are the two things. You need a good phone and good internet. And another extra, as a Nigerian, you need to have a power bank, because live streaming will be draining your battery. I can tell you that for free. So ways to make money in the live streaming industry. This is extremely important, because when I heard about the live streaming, the platform, the first one I joined, the moment I come to that app, I went and Google, and things that the website publish and other things about live streaming is nothing that, like, someone like me, a mother of four, a married woman and mother of four, have no business in that place. But I now sit back and check Okay, I now check what ways can I make money in this platform. I don't love playing games. I only learn to play and learn the strategy and teach people. But naturally, if I buy phone, the first thing I do is to delete the games in my phone, because to me, before now, I always feel that playing game is like waste of time. But now that money is involved, I can tap, I can do so many things playing game, because I know that there is motivation at the end of it, which is money. So the live streaming, when I join, okay, I check things that is happening in the live streaming industry. I'll be using Poppo as a case study for this video. Like when I joined PoppoLive, is a live streaming platform. When I join, I see ladies, people are singing, people are dancing, people are playing games, people are gambling, people are doing so many things on the app. So I just sit back and check, what am I passionate about, so that I can also include that in that app. So I see that I love teaching. It makes me happy to see that people are earning, people are making money. So I now say, okay, what can I do that I can help people and I can earn? So I discovered that in the live streaming industry, number one, you can refer people and you earn. Like on that PoppoLive, you can earn up to $14 for referring only one person if the person is active. You can also be playing game. Of course, game is a no-no for me. You can also gamble and be winning. You can also become an agent. So becoming an agent is what gives me an edge, because I love teaching. So I now decided, okay, I'll pick that, becoming an agent, because I can teach and I love helping people and all that. So it is important that if you join any live streaming platform, look into it. Don't just rush based on what people are saying. Take your time and learn about the app. Find out, so that you will check what is unique about it that resonates with you. Don't just be there for being their sake or following the crowd. It's important you know who you are and look into what you can do that can help you in that platform. So for one, I make money. I've made over $1,000 for referring people on PoppoLive, and I've made thousands of dollars monthly on the app as an agent. So even as an agent, I also refer other agents. So there are different ways you can make money on the live stream platform. The most important thing is you should check what you are passionate about, what resonates with you the most, and so that you can be effective in that platform, so that you can make more money. There are different things you can do in the live streaming app. In my agency, there are people that made themselves, they married physically now, they have even given birth and all that. So a lot of things. There are people that love singing, that they will just open their panel and they will be singing and people will come and be gifting them. There is if I remember her name, but I will put her picture here. I saw her on PoppoLive. All she do is PK. PK is like playing game, and anybody that win, people that receive more gifts will win. So and all that, there are people. So you just check and know what resonates with you, and then pay more attention to that and do all you can, so that you can be making money. So you can make money in different ways. There are some people that they open talent hunts, and people come, people win, people pay some coins to join, and they are making money on that. There are DJs. Yes, I remember 2 years back, 2021 or 2022, that I did my birthday. I invited a DJ on that platform. There are people that they are doing DJ work and they are being paid. You are in your house, you are DJing for a party in a panel, and people you get paid, while people are even gifting you because you are playing that music. The host or the person that is doing party will also pay you for coming to play music in her panel online. So please, we should open our eyes. Let us not just think live streaming is for only sexy things or opening your body. I am a mother of 4. My son just finished secondary school, my firstborn, and I have been there, and there is no negativity. So we need to understand that first about live streaming. So what are the plan and strategy? Extremely important. So if for you to win, for you to make more money, in this live streaming apps, you need to have a plan. You need to have a strategy based on what you choose, based on what resonates with you. Like me now, since what resonates with me the most is the fact that I can help people make money, and I can also teach. While I'm talking about it, I make money on YouTube. While I'm talking about it, people use my link to become agents. While I'm talking about it, people use my link to sign up for the app. While I'm talking about it, I was able to build a plan, a strategy that works for me even while I'm asleep. So what is this? What is my own strategy? I will use my own now, so you can also apply to whatsoever resonates with you in whichever live streaming platform that you find it desirable to use. Because sometimes you try this, you try that, but you will not like it because of maybe one thing or the other. But anyone that you decide to like, you can now implement this. So as a content creator, as a YouTuber, as someone that have known about the Web3 industry and was waiting for it based on this video that I made, the moment I entered that Poppo live streaming app, I knew that it's something huge, so I decided to start creating content about it. So as I'm creating content, what I did was, in every of my video, I mentioned my Telegram channel. I created a Telegram. I so much love Telegram. I've been using Telegram for the past 8 to 9 years now. I love Telegram because on Telegram, even if you join today, what I posted 9 years ago, you can scroll up and to still access it. So what I did is, as I mentioned in the description of all my videos about PoppoLive, I dropped the link to my Telegram. If you click and go to my Telegram, there's an automated message that will tell you you are welcome. And from there, you can click all the frequently asked questions. I answered them, that will help you. But I would beware of scammers. If you join my Telegram, you should first of all know that I will never DM you. Anybody that is DMing you, telling you, pretending to be me, using my profile picture or adding my phone number or Poppo ID or any of the Niki Live or other live streaming app that I do ID, pretending to be me is not me. You should know that I will not have time to start DMing people one by one. Please don't fall victim of that. So I created an automated responder that will always respond to anyone that joins, so that it will help me even while I'm asleep. So I created a strategy that helped me in that platform. I opened my panel. I decided that, okay, in the morning, after I've prepared my children to school, 9 to 10, mostly I'm live there. Even if you go and I'm not live, my panel is open. If you talk, if I'm available, I will answer you. And then in the evening, 5 p.m. and all that. So you need to create your own strategy. Your own might be that you love playing game. So even for the playing game, I remember last year I did multiple videos explaining to people how to play game. So what I now did, let's assume you love playing game. What I now did is I took my time, I studied the game, I played, I strategized, and I was able to crack the code. So there's so much you can do. If your own, maybe you are a DJ and you are on the platform, you don't sit in one panel. You go to different panels, you play games, you introduce yourself, you follow people, ask them to follow back, you be friendly. Someone like me, I can't do that because that is not my passion. So there is so much in this live streaming industry that we can do. Instead of saying God forbid and running away from it, and people are cashing out hugely. Like I am the least when it comes to other top agents worldwide, but through the mercy and grace of God, I am in top 1, top 2, top 3 agents in the English-speaking world on the PoppoLive. So there are people that are making up to 100,000 USD a month in live streaming. 200,000. I've seen a month that someone cash out $200,000. I've not made the highest I've made is 5,000 though, and even the 5,000. Please, if I'm mentioning all this money, don't just calculate it for me. Don't calculate it for me. I beg you, in the name of God. I am a mother of 4 and I lost my husband last year. You can imagine the expenses. So, and God has been faithful. I cannot lie. So, yes. So don't come to my DM, because sometimes if I feel things like this, people will start coming to beg. I do my charity from my heart, but don't come to my DM. and don't come and kidnap me. You not see even 1 naira. As an entrepreneur and as an investor, I don't keep money, okay? So I'm just saying this not to brag, but I'm saying that to motivate someone, that if God can help me, if I can be like this today and can be talking to you, you too can do it. If I can do it, you too can do it. So there are different ways you can withdraw your earning. Some of the platform, mostly I use almost all the live streaming platform use USDT. USDT is US dollar theta. That means it's crypto US dollars that you can use. So in the description of this video, I will drop links to all the videos I've made about live streaming platforms so that you can check the one that resonates with you, most especially with Poppo. And I've done videos explaining practically how you can withdraw your earning and all that. For those that are not familiar with crypto, I've done video. I will drop a playlist about Bybit. I use Bybit as a Nigerian, and I use P2P whenever I use Naira. I needed Naira to do 1 or 2 things. But you can also withdraw directly to your Naira account, or even if you are a Ghanaian, or you can actually also withdraw directly to your local bank in local currency, okay? So I'm going to also drop the list of live streaming apps in the description of this video. So what are the shortcomings? Like someone like me now, it takes the grace of God for me to stand till now. I almost quit. Reason is because as my video goes viral, a lot of people started trying all they can to scam. Like they'll come to my Telegram group. When they see someone join, they will immediately open another Telegram account, use my profile picture, put my phone number and my Poppo ID number or different ID of live streaming platform, and they will DM those people pretending to be me and scam them. So please, I want to use this opportunity to educate us 1 or 2 ways to how we can help ourselves to avoid all these scammers. Number 1 is, first of all, you should know that if you are paying money to somebody's account, it's not my name. Even if I don't know how some people think, but I cannot blame them because a lot of us are desperate. But please, if you are transferring money to somebody, you should check the name. How can somebody, you are transferring money, name Zainab, some Abdullahi, that because some people end up coming to me to explain. I will say it's not me, and I have put automation. The moment you join my Telegram group, the first message you will receive, welcome. Please, I will never DM you. But still, people are falling victim, and I wonder why. But I can't blame them, but I want to please beg of you, help yourself and help me. I will never DM you. In fact, even if you see the name IJAPARI, because I'm saying this, they can create any other thing, they can do anything. Don't ever send money, because I will never DM you. I have over 3,000 persons in that Telegram channel, apart from other group and other activities that I'm doing. I'm a mother of 4. I have offline business. I'm running my masters. So I will not have time for all this. So please, I beg of you, this is the only negative side of it personally for me. Then generally, of course, as you are making money, you should also be saving, because your battery will be running down because it consumes a lot of battery. Of course, live stream is not because of the live stream, because if you're live streaming, you should know that your phone is open, and it's just like when you put your phone that do not sleep for 24 hours, you know your battery will run down. So that's exactly what I mean in that place. So if there's anything I have left out, please, because the video is already too long. I didn't intend it to be this long, but I believe it's educational and informative. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. If you love what I do, please drop a beautiful comment for me. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video so that I can reply to you with a video, or I can give you the link to a specific video in case you find it difficult to navigate to see the description of the video and all that. I hope you have given me a like. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Because I'm going to be doing more detailed video on each of the live streaming app again. Some of the video I did is already outdated. There are some upgrades, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn the bell notification. Bye.